All right, guys, I want some opinions real quick because I'm working on making these and I don't know what is the best way or what you guys might want for the masks that we're going to be sending out. So I've got this one on, it's a child size, but I can make this adult size, obviously. So turn your head towards mom. This way, there you go. So this one's got the banding over here so you can put your elastic in, and it's one solid piece. Look towards the camera. And then I've got a seam down the middle. Take that one off. And you can put this one on while I do this. So on the inside, this is what I need to know. I've got a pocket because some of the things I read online said that you might want a pocket to be able to put a filter inside here. So do you like the filter pocket in the middle? That's the part that goes up against the nose then, or I made the same shape that's flat on the outside and I put the bands on the end. However, the one end has a pocket and then you would be able to slide something in from the end. So if it was on me, this one has the access panel from the end where the ear loop is. Okay. Or there's this one that was just flat here. This one might be an adult size on a kid, so it looks different. But, all right, you can take that one back off. This one just has the ear loops and then the pleats. And to get access to this one, there's a little tiny pocket up at the nose also, so that you could put in some sort of band to hold it down, or if you did want some sort of filter. So I need opinions. I don't know what's best, but I'll keep making them if I know what you guys want. So this one has the pleats and it has the tiny pocket at the top that you can get access from the inside. And then I've got the one that's formed and it has either the end access down by the ear loop or at the nose on the inside. And that's definitely like from your hand perspective, I can get my whole hand inside this one and it's a child size. So I don't know what would work better, or do you even need access to the middle? Do you just want it to be the fabric over top of each other? All right, thank you, Kimberly.